Don't worry. They give you the job. Don't worry. You done well since then. You thought those things they ask you. They don't work. So now look at the public address space. Can you see address Oluwame?
10. Wait, public address.
No, you're right.
Okay, 10.10.1.00/16.
No, it is. You said it at 10.1, 10.1.0.0. That's the best way to pronounce IP address. If it doesn't want to confuse you.
10.1.0.0/16.
So ẹ rántí pé gbogbo /16 yẹn ni cider àtàṣẹlẹ lórí lánàá. Do you remember?
Yes.
So what does /16? What does it mean?
That means we can have
65,000.
We can have
before your 65,000. How many bits? How many bits on my mind?
How many bits, right?
1,
8, you know, 16, 2 bits. You know,
2 bits.
You know,
class lana.
Mimbo. How many bits?
Okay.
Me. So the circle washing machine. How many bits is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So about divided. 8 bits.
8 bits in the killing.
8 bits in the killing. It's 16 times 16 now. 16 times 16 on here.
So sure we understand what we mean by.
Mumbo. Mumbo. Me nothing. When they can waste time.
ẹ lọ gbé image tí mo ní kẹ́ screenshot lánàá gbé jáde.
I mean screenshot.
Color no screenshot.
Me screenshot. God damn it.
Screenshot gbogbo.
Me screenshot.
Okay. Let me refresh. Let me refresh your memory. I told you. Where we go? Screenshot.
That is not so short. It's good. Screenshot.
Okay. So I told you for example, now when you have your 10.1.0.0, then it will now have a subnet based on either it is class A, class B, or class C. So, but this IP address is a class A. So you can have something like 255.255.255.255 or 255.0.0.0. But because it is slider 16, it's automatically telling you that because it is CIDR 16, it's telling you that 16 bits is on, then there will be 16 bits off. Do you remember?
Yeah.
16 bits. Shall get 32 bits in the
Yes.
So, and they are octet notation, which is 88888, right? 8 lọ́nà mẹ́rin. So when you see /16 is telling you that there are 16 bits on. So now it means that you have the remaining 16 zeros. So remaining 16 zeros, 2 raised to the power 16 minus 2. So my phone is 65,000 addresses. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Let's see him now.
Okay, good. So now click on the delete button. Yes, delete that. So you now have to go and I want you to put your own IP address there. Check out your own IP address. So address space cannot be empty. Add subnet. Para previous. I want to check something. Okay, go back to the next IP addresses. Okay, the virtual network space as far as 174. So go to that IP address space, type 192.168. .168.55.0 slash do slash 16. Yes. Okay. Let it be 168.0.0. Okay, good. Now a WASI subnet. Click on add subnet. So now we want to add subnets. So let this subnet be maybe subnet name. Type subnet 1. Click on subnet address range. So let it be 192.168.1. 192.168.1.0 /24. Click on add. So let's add another subnet. So you can call it maybe backend. Our subnet merit ashilame. Backend, frontend, operation, admin. Yeah, do that. No, you can't do 16. Do 24. Click on hard. Create another backend for front end.
And that front end, right?
No, you have done backend now. Do front end. So I'm going to create 4, like I said. Create 4.
Okay, 4. Okay. Done.
ṣé kí àkẹta yìí ọ̀fẹ́ máa jẹ́ ọ̀nkúnlẹ̀? Mo ní ṣé ẹnì kẹta yín ọ̀fẹ́ máa jẹ́ ìnìmọ̀ ni.
Me too. I think he chose another class, another days or something.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
BMW. Mr. Adekunle BMW. Mr. Mi àti BMW. Series 5 àbí? Kí ni ẹ ṣe Series 5 àbí?
Next 5.
Okay, so you are done with so go to next. Oh, this is basically this criteria, so don't worry. Click on next. And you can just create it. Review plus create. Click on create. So go to resources. Okay, still deploying. Give it time. Yeah, go to resource. Okay, so from your resources, now, you can see LLC subnet under settings. There's the on subnet, the create events.
Yes, sir.
So which means that when you want to, you can create a machine and put it into different subnet. You understand that?
Yes.
I put it in different subnet. So for subnet 1, many money can create to metal create. Front end, back end. No.
Okay.
You only have a default one.
Okay.
So I wanted you to put one for admin and ops.
Admin, right?
Yes. No, you can't do that. You can't have, you are breaking your network. You can't have another 65,000 inside another 65,000. So you can make that 25 instead of 24. How many IPs do I have?
133. 123.
Okay. Instead of
Azure
123.
123. Yeah.
Okay. So here you can attach your. There's these 3 dots. Maybe okay, email here. Yes. Click on it. Yes. Zoom to like maybe 125%. Better. I wasn't seeing your screen. Okay. So here now you can add other things. You have to attach a network security group. Madam Wumi, you can see now this is where you can attach an NSG at the edge of the subnet. You understand? So you attach, so it means that whatever you put inside, there was a question like this you did yesterday. So from here now, whatever, if you attach an NSG here now, whatever rules they create will affect all the machines within the subnet. You understand? But just click on save. Okay, good. So open your PowerShell. Let's also create your VNet using PowerShell.
From here or the outside one?
You can anyone you want. But once you open your PowerShell, now go and set it in context. You know, like I told you, before you run anything in PowerShell or in your say like set it in context or set the subscription. So, sir, you are saying available IPs 255, 251. What does it mean?
That's the available addresses, IP addresses.
That can be that your machine can connect with.
Yes.
Hope you know that we've been able to break this network into smaller units because the main network is 65,000 units. On this last system. Okay. A maximize screen here. Oh yeah. What you're looking for is not there.
Oh, okay.
Come here. Check other places you know. Okay. Really. Hopefully, in case of next time, instead of opening too much of a section, on a particular session, instead of opening so many sections, on a particular session, you can open so many pages. Click on add page. You may have to see again like better to section.
Okay.
So your section is like your chapter. Why these pages will be like pages inside each chapter. So my easy for me. So I like this now. I'll copy. Copy, every copy. Right click, let's back there. So now that you have set the context, you are going to be creating another virtual network. So I'm going to send it to you. So copy from there.
Cloud engineer Wumi.
And the cloud engineer, too much money.
Oh, ti pọ̀ jù.
That my dream got to madam more. Me say I don't fear.
Amen. Oh, amen.
I don't fear.
Are you going back? I should just see like 2-3 jobs. Make I just dash you one.
Once you run CICD, no run Kubernetes. Don't present out. You need to change some certain things.
CICD tí mo ṣe ń learn àti Kubernetes lánàá.
So now this will be the address prefix for this security. You know, okay. So let it be like that. So my VNet 2, let it be like that. Location East US, let it be like that. Then look at it. My resource group. This is not your resource group. There's no resource group called my resource group. Sure you understand. So go to the other portal, go and look for the other resource group. Just click, no, yeah. Go to overview. No, just click on overview on this, my VNet 1. So now see the way it is written. You can copy it to a copy and then sign collect the from a copy. Yeah. And copy. No. Click on that. So copy to the clipboard. So I see you. Highlight it and paste on it. Highlight. Then no. Right click and paste on it. Right click. Okay. Delete it. Just delete to /16y. Just before it's looking like that. Now use the arrow key, lost CB resource group here. Okay. So we are a my resource group here. Okay, that's good. No, a NPM. So now we can now right click and paste. It's remains. So now can you script here so start from the beginning and tell me what the script is saying.
So the name of the virtual network is VNet2. So the resource group name is training RG, and it's located.
You skip something.
Okay, it's a new virtual network, which is new Azure virtual network. The resource group name is Training RG, which is located in East USA. And the name of the subnet is my subnet 2. With the
is there subnet?
Sorry, virtual net. Sorry, virtual. Sorry. Virtual network. Sorry. The virtual network name is my virtual network 2. And the public, I mean the
address.
The address is the.
So at /16, what will be the size of this address?
Enormous, big.
Only enormous. Which number is enormous? Ogukule kan lo agbárí fún mi.
65,000.
Enormous.
You did not say the number size. You said what's the size? That means it's a very big size.
Yeah, it's very big size. So these are things I want you. So now, actually, I want you to pay attention to this script. Remember that at my VNet 2 is now looking for. After that, you have new dash Azure virtual network. Script. So that's the script that calls for a new because when you were asking those questions, all these things were coming out. So instead of new, you'll be saying get, or you'll be saying set. Set is the get, so understand that when you want to create a new resources, cost a new dash, Azure virtual network, new dash, Azure storage, new dash, see, so press enter, sir. So hello, verify the reporter. Just search for virtual network. You should see your finish today. I'll prefer you use the other portal. You have 3 portal opened. Click on try again. So search for virtual network. You can see now.
Yep.
So it's already. So you can also verify. Go to the Teams and check.
So
I give you the scripts. Velocity chat. I give you a script.
Okay.
Just press enter. Just to verify that.
Yes. But this one is very fast too.
Very fast. So that's what I like as a script. So once you understand the script.
Once you understand the manual, you understand the script.
So we want to create a subnet configuration. We want to create a subnet. So you understand what I mean by subnet, of course. So we created about 5 other one. So check the chart. So I'm going to edit one of those things from this. So now you want to create a subnet. He said add Azure virtual network subnet configuration. Name my subnet 2. Address prefix. It's going to be 10,000/24. Then virtual network, my VNet 2. So one of the only thing you can change here is the name of the subnet. Maybe what can you give the subnet name? The name of the subnet? No. You delete it. You need to use that arrow.
So the name should be.
You can give you data subnet. Okay. Okay, so this one will be where you keep all your data and all of that. But understand that this other subnet is in another virtual network, right?
Yes, the network too.
Press enter. Warning, upcoming changes in the command line. If I'm a copy, you can send it to me. I don't know why. No. Start from that PS. Start from the command that we run. Yes. So yeah, so copy it. I don't know. Let's send it.
I'm sending a group chat.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. You know, command the press enter. Okay, let's see the other portal. Let's check because we might not be able to even see. Go to the other portal. This is the studio create now, abi? Pẹ̀lú PowerShell.
Yeah.
With PowerShell, ability create pẹ̀lú
Very
portal.
partial.
So go to subnet. I see that there's nothing there.
For Simba, yeah.
It's in there. So let me check. Yeah, run. We are run little more sense. Subnet with his specified name already exists.
Wọn kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà.
Okay. Bá mi copy ẹ̀rọ yẹn. Bá mi copy ẹ̀rọ yẹn. We are on it. Boy. We are on it to display the. Someone should display the. No. Copy the second one. No, not that one. Not that one. No.
This one.
This one. Send it. Come on, only. The raw meat copy the last one. Press enter. As you know, my VNet now, the name of the Virtual network is my VNet. Buy me copy error. Lambda cannot be found.
Fikini síwájú ẹ̀.
Kí ni mo rí síwájú?
Vaka X àbí dollar sign yẹn.
Ìyẹn rìn náà nẹ̀kẹ́ bí dollar sign sí. Ẹsẹ̀ ìyẹn rẹ̀. So I have dollar sign síwájú MY yẹn. Let's see. No. Para sign. Yeah. Put the dollar sign. Press enter. Still the same. Yeah, it's send the evaluation.
What you send it?
Yeah, send. I can paste it. Press send. Press enter.
Enter more.
Click that arrow here. Let me copy resource group name. I copy resource group. Let me paste it.
That resource group.
Send it.
Me too send them when she said copy. Oh, that's your subnet name. Any resource group name?
Yes, now. Training RG. You will deploy
one that deploy and see.
Let's see the other thing now. Let's see the other Azure. So go to overview here. Okay. This training RG. Copy training RG and paste it to me on Teams like that. Okay. Yes. Copy and run this one. No. Copy it again. It's mistakenly. Yeah. Just do Control C. Come and copy. Hero. Yeah, copy that. So just press Control C. There's an error. It's a copy you look at it on tomorrow. You copy it, right? Copy it here.
Don't take a snapshot to me.
You I liked it. So take your arrow on the don't use keyboard. Take your arrow there and right click on it. I don't know why it's running. So are you using mouse? The page you don't sell or say okay. Okay, you can copy down and copy it into a note or something. Seems is giving you. You just paste. You already have it copied. You do Control C like that. You paste then. You paste in notes. If there's anything. And basically there's nothing. So yeah, copy it by yellow paste.
This space, you might edit it.
No, you can remove it. You have nothing to do. Press enter.
What's too long?
Press enter. Check the subnet here.
Only.
Data. Yes.
Yeah.
So tẹ́ bá padà sí note yẹn. So now press enter, can we paste again? So just do Control V. Now change your my VNet 1 to VNet 1. Just change that 2 to 1. Then. Okay, so copy, go and run. Because training original, don't copy everything. Just copy the. Okay, press enter.
I press enter.
Why is it? It's not displaying. Press enter. The error is that my VNet 1. No, the error is not correct. Go to the portal from the other tab. Yeah. So this is my VNet 1. Inside training original one now. So why is it? Yeah, para see version or the notes. Para see notes editing. So if it's VNet 1, remove the $sign 1 just. And if you see no upper brackets, yeah. The bracket training RG1 now. Understand? I'm saying just put brackets. See VNet 1. Just like more if you bracket the training and inverted comma, okay, yeah.
Like this, right?
Yes, both sides. So now I let them copy. Press enter. I don't know why it's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing. But won't show the other one.
Won't show the two.
Won't show the two. I don't know why it's not showing. A pastes nílùú.
Síbo.
Ti wọ́n yẹn pastes ní lórí Teams.
Okay.
Just do Control V. Okay, just yeah, I check the submitted script. Copy down.
Let's go.
I sent you another script. Copy down and run it. Copy you can't copy a part of the script.
They hold this one.
It's a one single message. It's a one single message. I run it. So just copy. You might need to just use your Control C. Just use Control C. Press Control C. Control C dans l'enter. Why is he? Press enter. Bolo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí. Ibi resource group yẹn ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Remove that into one side because it's not part of it. So I like from here. Press enter, press enter. Press enter now. pàtẹ́wọ́ fún wa. Àti bó ti display àwọn
subnet yẹn.
Àwọn subnet ní. Okay. So ẹ lọ sí Azure portal, let's check the subnet eléyìí tá create sí subnet 2. Bóyá click on subnet. Ó wà sáyẹn. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it's not really displaying it. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Verify your name. Coming up. Okay, so yeah, run delay. Hopefully this will. The last one from sending.
Please send this in again.
Should start. Yes, it was just send start from. Which are the last one, Shambe? The last one. Yeah, copy one. If we need no space, so go to okay. So I clear go to little answer. You it's copy go from. So copy like that. The parameter cannot be found and matches parameter in resource group. Set Azure.
Change the source.
No. Display the subnet. Remove associate the subnet. I don't know. Yeah. Is your subnet here?
Let's go.
Ẹ fún mi ní orúkọ subnet yẹn.
Ṣé lè ta create second virtual network?
Ta fẹ́ attach. Òun náà lílé ń báyìí. Lílé data SMT. Òun lílé òun ní last line yìí bí báyìí.
Okay.
Data SNT.
Data SNT, yeah.
Okay.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ kúṣẹ́ o.
Àwọn náà sì face tiwọn náà.
Ọ̀nkúlé ẹ ṣe wá rọ kalẹ̀ báyìí.
Ó mọ̀ pé kí nǹkan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ kó má sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe láti help.
Situation tẹ wà nìyẹn àbí.
Situation tí mo wà ní because mi tiẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tí mo fẹ́ dojú ẹ̀ kọ pé okay let's do it this way.
Okay, I get your point. Oya mo ti send another one. Ẹ wá wọrí. Ṣé mo sọ fún yín pé ó láwọn script àti ti run tó jẹ́ pé you run those scripts on a platter of gold. Èmi àti senior colleague yìí la lo 2.5 hours trying to solve it. So welcome to your own version. The last one. Click on every. Scroll down.
No ni.
Okay, show no ni.
Ológun yìí.
Open there. Okay, yeah, copy. Velocity notes. Make sure people know. Yeah, copy a velocity notes. Ẹ clear ọgbà nílé.
Mo ṣe eléyìí tí mo ṣe ṣe lélẹ̀.
Okay.
Tí mo ṣe copy lélẹ̀ yà, mo open and down note ni.
Just make sure that there's no. Sorry.
Wàhálà.
Ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ ayé kò sí ẹ̀rọ ní rí. Ẹ̀rọ.
Data center.
Press center. Ó ti sọ succeed now. Ẹ wò. Enable.
Ó ṣe.
Update. Ẹ lọ sí pọ́tà yẹn náà jẹ́ ká o. Ẹ refresh pọ́tà. Where is it now? What is this thing?
Bueno.
Bá mi post ẹ bá mi copy error tó kọ in red yẹn.
Okay. Error méjì ló wà ń bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Kọ́kọ́ copy first one. Kọ́kọ́ copy first. Báwo ló ṣe máa sọ pé data essence náà fún un? Àbújá kìí ṣe data essence. Data essence. Yeah, but I'm saying second error. So let me work on this. Okay. So from this adjusted one.
Finally. Uh-oh. Bad request.
Set button original. Maybe we should use CLI. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ ká lo CLI. PowerShell máa ń chip ìwé nígbà mi.
Okay.
Press enter. Just press enter from where you are. Anything. So now switch to your bash for this PowerShell. No. We talk about PowerShell.
So my clock confirm now.
You need to set execution now using training. Do you remember?
The same thing, right?
The PowerShell really. The PowerShell really.
So one to.
Okay, copy that the PowerShell. Gbé ChatGPT. Take it to ChatGPT. So paste it. So I provide the CLI equivalent. Provide the CLI, capital letter CLI equivalent. So friend. So I go find. Okay, only here. So I copy it. Okay, what can save? So I paste a style like I call CLI. Yeah, paste it. Oh yeah, run it.
Chamarone and being.
Okay, it's set around. Oh yeah, let's see charts. Can I copy CLI script? Hopefully this way. I think we can go look cumbersome like this other. Let's scroll down.
No,
Go near AZ network.
Just this one.
Yes. I think we could look cumbersome. Partial one crazy. Hopefully. Message. So something is not found. Message resources.
Data you will not find.
She's saying that data not found. We actually can recreate it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, carry create it again.
Bí ló ti wá.
So kí ni ta fẹ́ create nsìn the subnet ta fẹ́ create nsìn a máa pè ní new subnet. Let's go.
Okay.
So that action. Copy this. Ìwúlẹ̀ ń bèrè.
Mo kàn mo béèrè to create this thing.
Mo ti send ẹ̀ sí ẹ lọ.
Okay.
Irọ́. Go to the last thing tí mo send sí we start from variables. Oh, yeah. Start from variables. Ìgbé lọ sí tó pèsè láti lọ copy kan ní.
Why is it doing snapshots? I don't understand.
Ẹ clear gbogbo àwọn kan tó kọ sísàlẹ̀ mi ìmọ̀ bí ẹ ti rí yẹn. Following agreement. Following agreements are required. So, who am I now? Let's pull up. Remove the resource book, training RG, VNet, my VNet, subnet, subnet address prefix. Actually, already provided. Why is it not? Why is it saying? Let's pull up some. Let me copy red line, okay? Send down one. Sorry, sometimes in a bit to solve problems like this, you have to.
You are saying sorry. Sorry, which I said you are saying sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, okay.
These are some of the things we face as an artist. About teaching by madam, I will troubleshooting. We give you parameters. So start from there. Press enter. Why is this foreign? It's provided now. It's provided. It's provided now. Okay. Ẹ mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ padà síbi note yẹn. So ẹ scroll up. Ẹ scroll up. Ẹ yọ àwọn kinní yẹn kúrò. Yes. Ẹ yọ kúrò. No, exactly. Ẹ yọ kúrò. Ẹ yọ ti vnet 2 yẹn náà kúrò. Ó lè máa rí as that's what we ń béèrè resource group name tó ń béèrè ó ti yé yín. Ó lè máa rí. Ẹ fún space for ẹ yọ ti IP address yẹn náà ó sì kọ́ IP address. So ẹ ṣe rí àwọn slash yẹn ẹ yọ gan ẹ yọ every slash. Okay, so we copy it around. Just press enter. Press enter. Give error. So far. Example from you want me to scroll up? Let's scroll down a little. Let's scroll down.
Down.
Scroll down. Yeah. Keep going down. Keep going down. Down. Following. I don't know. Okay. So láti ibi tó kọ bash training rg command alpha bash vmx command alpha títí dé ibi red line yẹn ẹ copy ẹ send it sí mi. I think that is the error that we are experiencing. So that look at this. No subscription yẹn la wà náà. What is it? I know. I apologize for the confusion. It seems that you're trying to run the batch on the window environment, which is causing the error. Script provider is intended. Okay. You need your background around. The script provider is intended to be run on a Linux, such as if you are using Windows, you can try running the equivalent command in PowerShell script. Here's an example of PowerShell script. What's the data for as PowerShell? Make sure you have. I just say like stop. This is PowerShell. Save the script in the file. That's the extension. I'm not using PowerShell. Let me know. Illusion. Ẹ ti rán ọ̀nà.
ChatGPT.
Jẹ́ kí gbogbo tẹ rán.
I didn't know what I run on.
Scroll up. Scroll up.
What's more on it? Let me send it to you.
And the same thing mo sense you know lè run now. Get. Ẹ pàṣẹ nǹkan tẹ run yẹn. The same thing tí mo send sí you know lè run. Ẹ wò trainer IG VM net. Then scroll down sísàlẹ̀. Resource group. Ẹ kàn máa scroll down díẹ̀díẹ̀. Disable, enable. The same thing tí mo send sí you know lè run now.
Mo lọ sí ChatGPT mo ní.
Ẹgbẹ́ ìwò kan tẹ́
Mo sọ pé mo ní under. So mo ní correct the error found.
Okay, ó ṣáà ti ràn. Ó wá gbé yẹn wá. So now, ó yá ẹ sọ fún sí pé ẹ sọ fún pé kó provide that you want to associate I want to associate the subnet to the VNet.
I want to be associated to the subnet to the VNet.
Clear ogun kan tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ má gbé. So just type, I want to associate the subnet created to the VNet. Oh yeah, run it.
Enter me.
Yes, sir. Click on the arrow down.
Get the VNet ID.
In the script you have created, in the script, after creating the subnet, it retrieve the VNet ID using AZ network VNet. A school or salary. No, yeah. No, it's salary. And then is a reviewing subnet updates command is used for the unit specifies find the skip display the details of the subnet. The school also keep there, scripting. The school also keep there. Okay, so the school also keep another at the beginning of the script. So now, looking at this script now, it's saying create subnet, which is the name of subnet is subnet name, which is new subnet. You have already run this. Get the VNet ID. Let's go down. VNet ID. Get create subnet, get VNet ID, associate subnet with VNet. There's some way already my subnet is already created so that my subnet is already created. So normally adjust the script here. That's equals to.
Okay, so equals to.
Ibi òkè yìí tó sọ pé VNet name is VNet 2 yẹn. Ẹ like copy subnet name new subnet. The new subnet like create lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà àgbà tó create yẹn.
Yeah.
Line yẹn line yẹn. Align the line and paste it in front of that equals to. So remove that the first equals to.
Remove this one.
Yes. Press enter. So scroll down. You're going to adjust it, man. So I scroll up.
An apology. You too bebe.
So yeah, copy again run it.
You too bebe actually.
That way, what is time? Resource was not found. Message, a copy message below.
What can below say?
Reach activity. And paste as well. Also, I can paste again. Scroll down. So the error message suggests that. Scroll up. The error message suggests that the virtual network resources cannot be found within the specified resource group. This issue could arise to various systems such as typo in the resource group. The virtual network infected. So if you follow this one, verify the current resource group and click container resource name. Confirm that the existence of virtual network. We are on script to go for you. Wọ́n tàrà sọ pé ní ọ̀wọ̀ exist meanwhile ilé màá jẹ́ kó ṣù. Press enter. So this is the network. Subnet. So this subnet one there. New subnet. private endpoint policy.
So what if I submit exist to the
Chetty Benz, what they want to do is go exist. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, the quality charges between here. The school is okay. Or a what type? Okay, I can type if this is verified, then provide this is verified. I still need to associate the subnet to the VNet. This is verified, comma. I still need to associate the subnet to the VNet. Press enter. So in this updated script, it received the subnet ID using this network VN subnet show command, network VN subnet update. Okay, share more. This one, tó sọ pé network VN subnet show yẹn, ẹ copy ẹ kẹrán ẹ. Ẹ má ti copy anything nínú black interface yẹn. Ẹ kọ́ copy. It tó sọ pé in this updated script, it received ètò wà lókè. network VNet subnet show, yes. Ẹ̀rọ yẹn ká wò ó náà. Let's see bóyá máa show any subnet. Missing, okay. You require resource group. Require see charges group. Require key and provide. Require. Name subnet unit. So a copy can you name black interface? I copy everything in black interface. You can run it. Hopefully. I want to show the school of option resource group will be ignored due to the use of the will be ignored due to the use of the prefix. Okay. You do up arrow key. No, up arrow key. This one now is the network VNet subnet show name subnet VNet resource group. Press enter. Let's see. Report the show.
No subnet.
So let's see the other portal. There is pay late create a refresh it.
What's what?
You see now?
Creating a work. So just to create something simple, I use the number of hours one can edit. So now imagine if you don't have a tool like ChatGPT, you would have some script. You don't have my loss on it. Just the script, that's the truth. So you understand how powerful. So the idea now is when you now get those kind of scripts, you save them. You just save them. You make sure that you can always go back to it and
And the beauty of this thing is that the more you get your hands dirty, you run us, it makes you more familiar with it. You understand? So for interview sake now, you can always beat your chest and say, yes, I can use PowerShell, I can use CLI, Bash script and all of those things. So, so I think, in fact, but I know that thing has always been giving us, very, very good.
So what I want to do is this. Instead of
Okay.
I want to see something here. Instead of correct, I want to say instead of correct the error found, I want to say display error found.
Yeah, my display.
Where is that script self? Okay, this one.
Down. Command are properly separated by line break.
Line breaks.
So that was the issue. Line break, the problem.
So what happened is pasting it in the this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. So I was actually sending you the right script. You don't need the same thing, not learn run now. So you understand? The same thing, learn run. I'm not. So maybe I will just be working from that side instead of copying.
So I still don't know why this thing. Because normally people you can copy there. You can copy the left.
Script that low last year to run to associate it. Office note here.
You're not more fair no copy.
The corrected one.
We will not show the margin.
Anytime cache network interface NSG.
Yeah, no Allah.
Okay, so let me share my screen so I can do this. Can you see my screen?
Hold on. I'm trying to copy to paste to. Sorry, please. Let me just finish this script. Yeah.
So you can see my screen now. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, so the next set of we are still learning the virtual network, right? Is the security of your network. So here we call it NSG. And these energies, they are a set of rules that you will be the one to specify them. So we call it network security group. So one thing about this network security group is that you can put them, you can use them within. Please don't forget, you can use them with the resources like your virtual machine. So you already know that your virtual machine has a resource group, as an NSG. You understand?
Yes.
So if you can go to your power, you go to your portal now, go to a particular virtual machine, and you will see the network security group there. You see all the rules that has been specified. Let me see if I can open the portal so that I move very fast.
Oyin ti dàrú o. Àwọn aláta ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Àwọn aláriwo fún Áfíríkà. Oh, good.
Okay, so look at this virtual machine now. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
So from this particular virtual machine now, you go to networking. So from your networking, there and there, you see your NSG. So these are the rules on your NSG. These are the rules. So basically, these three rules comes with your NSG by default. So you can have an inbound port rules. That is, you are creating a rule regarding anything that is coming into the machine.
The machine.
Inbound is going inside the machine. So now let's look at this rule together. You know, these rules has priority. The first priority has a priority number of 65,500. So it's the first rule. So the first rule says deny all inbound. Bam. So it means that kò sí béèyàn ṣe lè ṣe ti deny it wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò sí béèyàn ṣe lè fọwọ́ kan machine yìí tó. It will never, no traffic will ever enter it. You understand? So we say from which port? He said any port, that is all of the ports, all of the protocol, from any sources to any of the destination. I don't want to hear, deny everything. And this rule cannot be deleted and it cannot be edited. You understand? So now, just above, a little priority above this rule now, right? You also have another rule that says allow Azure load balancer. Allow Azure load balancer inbound. So which means if you have a load balancer, this load balancer can speak to this machine. So rule tòkè yìí sì ó ti override the rule tó wà sálẹ̀ yìí. Hope you are following, sir.
Yes.
Good. Now this rule, you see, this one in terms of sizes is very small because it's 5,001. It's 5,001. So get a number and reduces. So this one to override the whatever that is here because my phone priority, priority. So you know, if you are saying deny all inbound, meanwhile, if only priority of 65,000, meanwhile, if only priority of 64,000, attend to a lower priority, attend to a higher priority, which means that traffic that is coming from a nearby VNet will come inside this machine. Only allow VNet inbound. So what is your VNet inbound? Remember your rectangular, you know, that image that we drew yesterday. So he's saying that if the traffic is coming within the virtual network into the machine, allow it. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So if the traffic, okay, either you are coming from internet, you are coming from the machine beside me, or you are coming from the, it doesn't care. So, but meanwhile, this one has a lower priority, which is Marco attends. So, meanwhile, look at it, it's saying allow virtual network inbound. So any traffic coming from this virtual network, with any of the ports, allow it. With any of the protocol, allow it. Then, but the source must be what? That same virtual network. Then the destination must be what? That same virtual network. Do you understand? This is inbound now. Then allow. So then we have RDP, which is of course the one that we are used to. So you must now open this port, which is port 3389. give it a lower priority. So that is why one can enter into a machine using an RDP before any of these things can block it. So the protocol TCP, the source is saying any of the sources anywhere, either virtual network or internet. Then network. So that's the inbound port through. Now look at the outbound port through. Outbound is talking about the traffic that is leaving the machine into the outside there. So by nature, the first thing it says deny all outbound. So any small delay comes
not to come in, not to goes out.
You understand? Then, but there's now another lower priority. He's saying, okay, allow internet outbound. You know what that means? So, in asking some questions, that's why I'm coming here. So now, this is outbound. Okay, you can allow any outbound to run law over the internet. And after all, it's going out of me. That's the machine now. That is the virtual machine now. So it's saying allow internet outbound. So if the machine is the one providing something to somebody over the internet, you can allow it because you cannot attack it. It is the inbound. Right?
Yeah.
Then the third one says allow VNet outbound. Within the virtual network, you can allow any outbound that is going, so it doesn't have any source, doesn't have any problem. That's the reason. So the source has to be virtual network and then destination virtual network. So in this one, the source is ending, the destination is internet, which means it can come from any of the virtual machine and then enter into internet because it's outbound. So now look at this application security job. So application security group. So it says configure the application security group. Basically, they use this one for applications, but is another security measure. Select application. I don't think there's no application here. Then the last one, load balancing. And also add, I've already explained to you what your load balancing is. So that's your NSG. So your NSG, the idea is this, sir. The NSG is attached to a NIC, your network interface. Okay, is attached to a NIC. So, you understand, Ben? So it's attached to a NIC. So now, another thing I also wanted to learn is that your network, this Kineten Learn which is your network security group. I said it can be attached to a NIC, right? Interface network. But don't forget that this NIC is attached to a virtual machine. Okay. Then you can also attach this network security group now to a subnet. You already know what your subnet is. So which means that whatever one machine, I know one subnet, I know. Okay. Let's go back here. So please read, sir.
You can implement network security groups. You can limit network traffic to resources in a virtual network using a network security group, NSG. A network security group contains a list of security rules that allow or deny inbound or outbound traffic. An NSG can be associated to a subnet or a network interface. A network security group can be existed multiple times. Subnet. You can.
A group of network security group contain a list of security rules that deny or allow inbound traffic, right? Just like I've showed you. So go ahead.
Yeah.
Subnet.
Subnets can assign
Yes.
NSG to subnets. You can assign NSG to subnet and create protected screened subnet, also called a DMZ. This NSGs,
Demilitarized zone.
huh?
Demilitarized zone.
Demilitarized, okay. These NSGs can restrict traffic flow to all the machines that reside within that subnet. Each subnet can have zero.
How
Yes.
your energy is operating on a subnet.
You can just say, well, go and see that. You don't need anything to do.
Go ahead.
These energies can restrict traffic flow to the machine that reside within the subnet. Each subnet can have 0 or 1 associated network security group, NSGS.
So a subnet can exist without having an NSG. It must zero in. But a subnet can always add one to it. Associated.
Yeah.
Okay, so scroll down.
A network interface. A network interface can assign a NIC. Hold on. A network interface. A network NSGS to a NIC. You can assign NSGS to a NIC so that all the traffic that flows through the NIC is controlled by NSGS rules. Each network interface can exist in a subnet. Each network interface that exists in a subnet can have 0 or 1 associated network security group. So
kí ni nǹkan tó lè sọ sí? Hello.
Hold on, mo ń kà lọ́wọ́ ni ẹ ti gbé kúrò. Okay, it's saying, not this. So where are you? You can assign it so that all the traffic that flows through that NIC is controlled by NSGS. So we are saying that network interface can exist even though the security there's no security group. Yeah. The network interface can exist within a subnet that has 0 or 1 security group. So that means it can exist without, even though there's no security group, but there's security group in a subnet. Determine NSG rules. Security rules in network security group enable you to filter the type of network traffic that can flow in and out of a virtual network subnet and network interface. Azure creates several default security rules within each network security rule. You can add more rules by specify.
Àwọn default rules ẹlẹ́mí àti go through lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
So name, priority, the portal, and the protocol, TCP or UDP.
So you understand what they mean by adding more rule by specifying the name of the rule, the priority, port and protocol. But on solid, can you see the priority of the rule, the name of the rule, the port
and the protocol,
and your source and destination and the action. So because here you are letting add the rule. Adding more rule, your source and port, destination, port, action, priority. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead and read.
Inbound rules. There are 3 default inbound security rules. These rules deny all inbound traffic except from the virtual network and Azure load balancer.
To understand, just like the one I showed you, only except for virtual network and load balancer, but it denies all inbound. So tí n bá padà sí ìbá ẹsìn, ìdí tí mo yẹ fi hàn yín náà nìyẹn sódà ẹ máa rí inbound. Ó deny all inbound, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń bọ̀ nínú yẹn except load balancer and the virtual network. So tẹ́ bá wo source, where does he want traffic to come? You want traffic to come from the load balancer, then traffic to come from the virtual network. So where does he want traffic to enter? Traffic can enter anywhere here, or traffic can enter virtual network here. Do you understand the idea?
Yes, sir.
So that's your inbound rule. Shall be the same thing now, I've already explained to you. And the same thing for your outbound rule. There are 3 default outbound security rules. The rules only allow outbound traffic to the internet. So now, deny all outbound, but at the same time, you can allow outbound as going to the internet and outbound as is going to the destination, to virtual network, which is also coming from the virtual network. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
So this, if you are going to get some certain job, they are going to ask you this, like the one that Madam Wumi did earlier today, they were taking their time to ask questions in storage. You understand? So if someone is not prepared, they are not able to. It's not colleague, you want represent.
Well represented. We share 1% to me on equality. No, very true. 1% really mobile.
Okay, so determine NSG effective rules. NSGs are evaluated independently and an allowed rule must exist at both levels, otherwise traffic will not be allowed. So, you know that's energy are evaluated independently and an allowed rule must exist at both levels, otherwise. So, look at this network anyway. So there are 3 subnets. That is this virtual network now. Not Gasineta, Abi?
Yes.
3 subnets, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. So if you look at NSG, làwọn kíní yìí ò tó dàbí shield yìí. So that you can, because all that ones in the NSG are evaluated independently and an allowed rule must exist at both levels, Otherwise, traffic will not be allowed. A statement is an allow rule must exist at both level. In the both level, also. Look at no, not inbound and outbound. Look at this diagram. Look at this diagram. NSG NSG1 is at the edge of your subnet, right? So it means this rule to allocate NSG1 it will affect all resources inside. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, NSG2 is attached to the network interface of this machine. Okay. So the same thing for NSG2 here. And you understand? So what they are now trying to say is the key internet communicate with the machine you must make sure that this allow rule must exist at both levels. That is, they will allow RDP ní òkè níbà. They gbọ́dọ̀ allow RDP nísàlẹ̀ níbà. If not, they will block ẹ̀ níbì kan. Machine only connect to machine. So it's understand. I don't mean so please understand. So read this, sir.
In the above example, if there was an incoming traffic on port 80, you will need to have the NSGs at the sub-level allow port 80. You also need another NSG with an allowed rule to port on port 80 at the NIC level. If you have several NSG, okay, for incoming traffic, the energy set at the subnet level is evaluated first. Then the energy set at the
for incoming traffic new traffic to have a one be by traffic to have a one be by. Àkọ́kọ́ evaluate the security rules to one NSG1 or to evaluate security rules to one NSG2. Tó bá block ẹ̀ be by kò enable NSG2, right? Tó bá open ẹ̀ be by tó bá ti rí pé okay òun lásẹ̀ láti wọlé tó bá ti wọlé sínú subnet ẹ̀ á ṣẹ̀ tó wá máa pé okay this particular machine. Can I talk to this machine? The machine has a block on out. Do you understand the idea? Go ahead.
Yes. If you have several NSGs and not sure which security rule have been applied, you can use the effective security rule link. For example, if you could verify the security rule being applied on the network interface.
So, if you don't know how to read this, all this one now, you don't know how to read it, you can now come to effective security rule to check our control. Have you got a calculator?
Yes.
Say if you have several NSG and are not sure which security rules is being applied, come and check effective security rules. For example, verify this, blah, 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 blah. Okay.
Yep.
So here is how to create an NSG rule. It's easy to add inbound and outbound rules. You can select from a large variety of services. This service includes HTTP, RDF, RDST, and DNS. So add inbound security rule. Any star, let's get.
Yeah.
So it's basically like this thing I showed you. See, add inbound rule. We click on outbound. Outbound security rule. Okay. Add get.
Yeah. So you can have security rule from that side.
So we are read this. I want you to read and have to understand.
Service Service specify.
Please read.
Yeah, I'm coming. Service specify the destination protocol and port range for this rule. You can choose a predefined service link, for example, like HTTPS or SSH. When you can select the service, the port range is automatically completed. Choose custom to provide your own port of range. SSH into Gig Bash, SSH into Windows. Okay.
Can you explain what you have read? Okay, so let's move.
Yeah, the thing is this one says you have to specify the destination protocol and the port range for this. You have to specify once you on the service, you have to
Okay.
make sure that the destination protocol and the port range is specified.
So can you explain that?
Yeah, it says that the service you have to define. You have to say where. You have to. I don't. You have to say where they're going. I mean, how do I put it?
Now let me go back so that you can read. We are reading.
Okay, it says when you select the service, the port range is automatically complete. Choose custom to provide your own port range. So that what is actually saying is that you can you have the service specify what is the destination and what is the port range for this rule. So it's telling us that we can decide to choose whenever you want, like the predefined service like SSA, HTTPS or SSH
Or RDP.
or RDP, or RDP when we are selecting the service. And it's telling us that when we do that, it will be automatically completed. But we can decide to choose our own port range too, depending on the way you like to work.
Okay. So just to support that, this is what they are trying to say. Let's say you want to create an outbound rule or import rule. This is what they are trying to say. Can you see the source, the destination,
Yes, any
the
source.
custom? Because there are different services now. So
Okay.
Canvas, HTTP, SSH, RDP, service, different services. And I want to speak with Azure. Then priority and new.
Okay.
To etiquette not also.
What do
So
you
that's
mean?
where you set your port range, priority, and then nodes. So now let's go to this one. So now you must understand application security group. So you must understand it. So start to read.
Want to read it?
Yes, boss. With understanding.
ASG enables you to configure network security as a natural extension of an application structure. You then can group virtual machines, virtual machine, and define network security was based on those groups. Please take the highlights off there. The highlight button.
The
The highlight notes.
Oh, okay.
You can also reuse your security policy at scale without manual maintenance of explicit IP address. The platform manage the complexity of explicit IP address and multiple rule sets, allow you to focus on your business logic. Consider the following illustration.
Okay, so look at the diagram. Does it make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
So what is this diagram simply saying?
Web server. It says that this virtual machine can communicate with number one. I think they have the same resource inside.
Okay.
What want to do again? Hold on, please. Let me
read this.
Okay, I'm back. Hello. Ọ̀gá mi. Amen. I'm here. Bros. I don't do. Hello. Bros, whether Dotun.
Ṣé tí sùn lọ ní three times ti lọ. Level 2, 1, 2, 3. Ó ti wà ní 3 o'clock. Ẹ ní ìrìlì tẹ̀lé ẹlẹ́ni.
Àbí ìgbà tó tẹ̀ padà. Mi gan mú. Kọ́ máa lọ 9 la máa ń parí 10 la máa ń parí actually 9 10 la máa ń parí.
So ó máa ń dùn mọ́ wọn tó bá ti gbọ́ àwọn tí ń troubleshoot. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí kò ń troubleshoot so. Ìdílé cut it this. Ẹlẹ́ni ti sùn lọ lórí ìjókòó.
Irọ́ ó pọ̀ sí kò jẹ́ pọ́n dìde ni.
Time ti lọ. Ẹ ṣàlàyé ní Thursday. I guess it's not going to work. Hey, Uncle Kunle o.
Come on, rest.
Àyà mi ṣe.
Take my.
Gbìn.
Nígbà tó ń ṣe.
No.
Did you eventually have to help? Abi you did it on your own?
Clearly, I did not get it. There was no help. Wow. You know the funniest part of it, it is not a question about what is Azure Active Directory, what is clinical. No, it was not all that thing. So it is. This is what I get from it. So now, I can. In fact, bí mo yẹ jókòó gbogbo tẹ́ ń ṣe má ti apply 20 lórí jókòó tí mo wáyé. So like I'm looking forward to more and more interview. Okay. Like I said, it's not question about what is load balancing, what is network security. No. They were asking live-based scenario because you said you've been doing it before, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Kasankwe, okay, maybe where you were working, maybe you were helping with storage and something like that. Okay, Mama, be a question with storage. What type of storage have you used before? What did you use to authenticate it? If you, in fact, Otibe allow me, what is your day-to-day activities like? What do you like doing? What is your best research tools?
Tí o ṣáà sọ pé ChatGPT.
Èmi kẹ̀, mi ò kọ́ ChatGPT. Èmi tí mo gbọ́n mo ní Google, kí ló dé ChatGPT? Ìwà lọ sọ́fẹ̀ fáwọn pẹ̀ bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ti mọ wọn bá nǹkan tó wá sọ lẹ́ni. They asked about but our main thing they were talking about was virtual network, storage, um, Azure resource tools, and the company they were using CI/CD pipeline. So that was more of what they were talking about. Then they were asking questions based on, oh, when you said you know about CI/CD pipelines, what did you use to automate? Have you ever encountered any trouble when you were deploying your machines? Questions like that. Gbogbo nǹkan tí mo di gbogbo àwọn tí bá ń kàwé gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ti jẹ́ ọ̀tí sáré ògiri gan-an kò tiẹ̀.
Kò jọra wọn.
Mo pé àwọn bíi bóyá question méjì àbí mẹ́ta kan was not on top of my head, but apart from bóyá mo miss question méjì àbí mẹ́ta kan, I know that I left a really good impression because after a while we were now just, all of us were just gisting, talking. They were asking me that do I have any question for each and every one of them that I should start asking. So I was asking questions from them. In your no, in your méjì ni o, yeah, in your méjì ni o béèrè question. In your méjì ni o béèrè question. Ó wá kó èèyàn mẹ́rin. Nínú èèyàn mẹ́rin yẹn, obìnrin yẹn ò béèrè any technical Azure question. Ó kọ́ béèrè pé ó dà kóun ló béèrè pé if I have any problem wípé how do I solve it? Was just asking normal intellectual question. You get? Then àwọn mẹ́ta yòókù, I think they were the engineer. They were the one asking me stupid question. Ìkànnì ni wọ́n béèrè nípa Linux lọ́wọ́ mi. Linux tí mo ti àtìgbà tí mo ti ń ṣe Azure mo ti pa Linux tì. But funny thing ni pé kò béèrè nǹkan mẹ́ta, mo rántí pé nǹkan mẹ́ta ló béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi nípa Linux. How do I sign into my Linux? Walk me through it. Ó béèrè pé what did you use? What is the command to use to add a user? Ó wá béèrè command pé what do you use to change password in Linux? I know his password, but mo ti gbàgbé pé you won't write password like PASSWORD. PASSWD.
Yes.
Well, you know it's interview now. Things will just go off your head. You know it, but so I was like, I've been working with I haven't worked on Linux for the last 1 year, but I used to work on it. But I have idea. A question. It was not a Linux interview, but I guess they were using Linux too. So Okobiri commented time. So in the time I was able to answer too. But it kept my password, but it's a big some password. Because that's how they say it. So when I was expecting you to say password. Oh yeah, password. I know, but I told you it's been like a year I've worked on Linux, so it wasn't on top of my head.
And if you didn't forget your password, why would you have to change your password as well? So sometimes you might never use that command.
Exactly. So that was just it. But I know that I left a really good impression because, and I was asking them question about. I even told them, even when they sent me their names, I went on LinkedIn. I was checking them to know the type of people that I will be working with, because apart from me learning, I was watching YouTube videos about how to give a good impression in the interview, how to just make them like you, all those stuff. So mo ti jot gbogbo àwọn question tèmi náà fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ mo ti jot ẹ sílẹ̀. I was asking question. Overall, I'll give myself like a 70-80 kind of percent. So ìyókù ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà.
So let's assume nobody gets more than you.
Amen. Exactly. So, but at least I know that this
will impress them, and then one idiot will just come.
We just come and
yeah. and start everything. So that's
I know.
But don't worry, since it's just one interview.
Exactly. So at least going forward with other interviews, I can confidently. I know the things I was missing. I know how I answered the answer that I thought I should have answered better. All those things. So it's like a starting learning point. So, but I pray I get this one. It looks the company environment looks so promising. All those things. So I'm really hopeful. ẹlòmíì máa ṣe interview tẹ pé mo ti rí èèyàn tó sọ fún mi pé I was saying jargons in that interview. I know I was saying jargons and he got the job.
Ọmọ ChatGPT yẹn ṣàwèrè gan-an.
Irú gbogbo àwọn tó ń béèrè password yìí lọ́wọ́ mi wọ́n á gbé bo èèyàn kan tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi rí akọ̀sáré kọ́ sí you get what I'm saying.
Pápá a lè máa sọ sí ẹ létí.
So Ọlọ́run á gbàdúrà Ọlọ́run á gbògo àbí.
Ọlọ́run á gbàkóso. Bọ̀dá Dọ̀tun o.
Mo sọ fún yín pọ̀ ti lọ sùn.
Ẹ̀kọ́ tí ẹ̀ di kọ́ ẹ̀ di recording. Ọlọ́run sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn náà bí ó lọ pray.
Okay, maybe he's on the phone or praying. Oh, 3 o'clock. Yeah, man, charge you at 3 o'clock.
Oh God.
I'm just hopeful. The more we really fẹ́ interview púpọ̀ kan lọ títí because they said the training starts on the 27th. So
next week, yeah.
They should just give me a chance, even if they will say, okay, we're going to start with you with 3 months probation and see how it goes from there. I will take it. Just to be in the system. That way I can be doing other interviews. She gets.
Exactly, yeah.
I would have been familiar with the environment. Then with that way, doing interview will even be easy for you.
In fact, this yourself now. That's your little Jari.
Yeah.
We ṣáájú ti ṣe bó ṣe ẹ̀pù wálé ní báyìí.
Ọlọ́run.
Ẹni ta fi fara wàhálà ta fi ṣe wàhálà. Mo kàn lọ gbé
síbẹ̀ ní jọ́. Bí bá ti ní next interview ní àjíjọ máa ṣe ni. At least ẹ ti máa dé stage kan pẹ̀lú kí ló máa ń pè yín ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí mo ChatGPT lò.
Ó funny.
Àjíjọ máa ṣe ni. It's an idea, so then there was, I think they were asking me how to authenticate into my storage. In fact, one wall me, àwọn jotting me ti máa ṣe. One wall me gbàgbàdà lójú mi báyìí. But you don't even mo try láti mú ojú mi kí n fi wo wall mi kí n wo everything. So mi ò ring. Oh dear. I was like, bá ṣe cut it call ojú mi. I was like, God, look at what they did.
Ṣé fídíò ni?
Wọ́n fi fídíò call náà. Ẹ ti sọ so tí o bá ṣe fídíò call mo ti ní wọ́n á ṣàkíyèsí sọ fún wọn. Mo ò ní gbé kọ̀ǹpútà síwájú tí o bá ṣe ChatGPT mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá wájú mi gbàgádá. Tí o bá ṣe fídíò ChatGPT mi bẹ̀rẹ̀ máa type máa low volume kí o tiẹ̀ ní dún. At least I'm glad that I went through it. Oma prepared me for the other ones.
Yeah, that's true. That's the.
Mo ti lọ sí kíni mo lò lálẹ́ ìsìn Glassdoor. Mo ti apply. Mo really apply in a weekend. I used to start from Sunday night so that tọ́ba máa fi jí láàárọ̀ Monday tí gbogbo wọn wo emails blah 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 wọn dey just. So àárọ̀ Monday máa ń sáré especially Sunday night, Monday morning. Really, Washington DC could really see remote. Most of it on site. Oh, sure.
Me too, like Washington DC for me.
Baba ti sanwó kí n tèmi.
Ẹgbàá lọ́wọ́ bọ̀dá Dọ̀tun.
Ṣé ṣọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀ ń gbọ́hùn èèyàn báyìí? Oh, wait. Look, I will chat. Maybe you said something on the chat. Oh, you didn't even say anything. I can be.
the mic is showing blue. That means maybe I think he dropped his headphone or something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just hold on another 5 to 10. You don't see
I just
anything.
want to stop the recording.
Ara mi ò tí ì balẹ̀, wọn ò tí ì sùn.
My sunshine, my only sunshine.
Are you sure pé rédíò kan ló ń dún?
Jẹ́ ń pè wọ́n. Let me call him. Ṣebí tá bá log out, ìtọ́jú máa stop àbí báwo?
I don't even
Mama ṣe lọ
know.
lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
It's not picking up, Abby. Àti ẹ̀wà mú ọ̀bà. Mo rédíò ń dún.
Mi tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó ń dún bóyá church ló ń dún o. Bóyá rédíò ló ń dún o.
I think he slept off. Anyway. No, I think Taba leave meeting here. He is still going to be on. So
Yeah.
probably start recording more. So, the documentary show me very much. Mr. Tyrese is a what?
A sọ pé Mr. Tyree, a person with disability living in a group home. A sọ pé no, I need that is summary of Mr. Tyree. A person living with disability. I'm sorry. Write a summary of Mr. Tyree's daily activities from time to bed to time to parí. But time to bed to time to school be 9 o'clock from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Wàá fi mọ̀ pé mo ní sórí fóònù mi náà ṣá.
Ẹ̀rọ àṣà mi.
Mo subscribe to the phone yẹn $32 per year. No, everlasting 32 mo subscribe for the everlasting yẹn.
Èmi ò
Wàá
sanwó.
sọ pé torí fóònù mo sanwó.
Oh, okay.
Wàá sọ pé living in a group home. Wàá fi enter and whatever. Mr. Tyree has this following. At Kinikan, wàá sọ pé from this thing to this thing. Mr. Tyree had his lunch at 3 o'clock. Mr. Tyree has his lunch, went out for community outing with the staff, perform his ADL, use the bathroom and clean after himself, but at least our company is spent. And then enter. Ẹ wá o. Nobody can kò ṣe déédéé o. Tàdé sọ̀rọ̀ lọ tàdé bí ọ̀kan mọ́. And it's not picking his call.
It's not picking.
It's not picking. I've called him like 3 times now.
I think he slept off most of it.
Sọ́dọ̀ ẹnìkan TV tí ń dún náà fọ́tọ̀ wọn. Sọ́dọ̀ ẹni TV tí ń dún.
Ọ̀dọ̀ mi kọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mi náà ni.
Ìwọ gbọ́ kankan.
Èmi ń gbọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mi kọ́ ló ti ń dùn.
Ok.
Èmi ò ló
Ó
ti
dẹ̀ mọ̀ nọ́mbà ìyàwó wọn.
mi ò mọ̀ o.
Ògbé kọ́ lò.
Ẹ máa lọ, èmi ṣì wà ń bèbè. Wọ́n kò máa tàn lẹ̀ lọ́nà bọ̀ by 10:30 máa pa. Mi náà tàn lọ.
Ó dáa. Later bye.
Kò sí pẹ́bẹ̀.
Hello, Okukulenko.
Okukulenko, wo ibo le. Ibo le. I told him money at money ọṣẹ nonsense. Mo kàn ní kó jẹ́ kí n wà hàn cause mo ìwà sport tí mo wà yìí di 10 in another few minutes. Yeah. Ọṣẹ nonsense mo ní mo pẹ̀ tí fún ọ ti pè.
Ẹ̀yin lè mọ̀ mí dáadáa.
When you want spot it mo why so ma you were on till like the next few minutes. Pé kọ́ máa lọ.
Okay, now.
Ẹ bá wọn stop recording yẹn. Recording yẹn ló wà concern about.
Okay.
Ọ̀rẹ́ ó dára pẹ̀lẹ́. Ẹ wo mo send nǹkan kan sí WhatsApp yẹn, then tó bá dára là.